Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. For today's vlog, today is Tuesday, is November the 4th. So have a good day everyone, enjoy the rest of your day, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, I was so busy working, busy, work. It's American dream here in America. So that's life here in America. You got to work until you drop. So cheers everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day and God bless you all. And love you guys. And spread love. It is uh, what time is it? Time check. Here is 10 minutes before 5 here in Maryland, USA. Look at the beautiful fall weather here. Is don't fall in love with the fall weather. It's beautiful day. It's my favorite season is fall. So love you guys and the rest of your day, and shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone, don't forget to like and share. Look at the colors, look like somebody dropped the paint. And that's the pine tree behind me. Enjoy and God bless. So long and enjoy the rest of your day. Look at this beautiful neighborhood. Is my apartment, my daughter's apartment complex here in Thousand Place. So beautiful day and lovely day, and enjoy the rest of your day. Love you guys, and please like and share. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked and share and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. And please help me to support my YouTube channel to become big by sharing, like and share. Thank you everyone, and God bless you all. And shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all, and thank you. And don't forget to pull the notification bell for more updated for the next vlog. And thank you everyone. God bless you all, and enjoy the rest of your night. And joy is about to be dark soon at 5 o'clock. So enjoy and God bless. So long everyone. And look at this beautiful tree in here. So nice and beautiful. So look at this up here, right there, and beautiful and nice. So right there, beautiful and nice. So thank you and God bless you. So long everyone, enjoy the rest of the day. Cheers. Love you guys, enjoy the rest of the night. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. So let's walk for this weather, and nice and clear, and is not too cold, not too hot, a perfect day. So I love the trees, like someone dropped the paint of it. So beautiful day. Is fall weather is one of my favorite season. So beautiful day and nice and gorgeous day. It's about to be dark soon at 5 o'clock. So enjoy while you can. Thank you and God bless you all. So long everyone. Enjoy the rest of your night. God bless. So wherever you are in the whole world, be safe as always. Take care and enjoy the rest of the night. And ingat po tayo sa mga naroon ng sulok ng mundo, especially in the Philippines, PI and Cebu, Visayan region. They have Typhoon Tino going on right now, and then they have another typhoon coming up. So be safe as always. Thank you and God bless. So long, and see you again soon. Take care and have a nice day, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching everyone. God bless you all. So long. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you and see you again soon. Cheese. And they have another plane up there.